what is a progression, what is a series, how to find out the next term of a progression, how to sum up the series. These are the questions that come to your mind when you see a series or a progression. Hello, this is ARITHMETIC with you for one more set of video for ICSE mathematics, and the topic that I have chosen today is arithmetic progression. Now, all of you might have heard about this progression, but you do not have a clear-cut idea about progression. So, what is a progression that we should first know? Progression means a set of numbers so that the next number can be predicted. It behaves in a such a way, it has a pattern, it is not haphazard, so that we can predict, or we can not predict, we can say definitely that the next number will be this one. For example, let us see this particular numbers what we have what I have selected. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. Obviously the next number that we can predict is 12 plus 3, that is 15. Here we see what? Here it is 5. 5 into 3, 15. Then 15 into 3, 45. 45 into 3 is 135. And then 135 into 3 is the next number. Here we see again. So we can predict here also, or we can say definitely that the next number will be 135 into 3. Here 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 5, 28, 28 plus 5 is 23, 23 plus 5 is 28, and the next number again we can say what it will be. Here if I see this set of numbers, it will be half, half into 4 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8, 8 into 4 is 32, then 32 into 4 is 128. So this is what is progression. Progression is a set of numbers which behaves or which has a certain pattern so that the next number can be said what it will be. Or we can say after 7 numbers what will be the next number, or after 10 numbers what will be the next number, or after 11 numbers what will be the next number. So we can say what will be the number after so many numbers. So this progression has been divided into 3 basic types. They are arithmetic progression, known as AP in short, geometric progression, GP in short, and harmonic progression. We have in your course of ICSE, that is arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So today's class or today's video, what I am going to teach you is what is arithmetic progression, and I would like to say in the same context that what we have in arithmetic progression for ICSE syllabus is to find out the nth term of an arithmetic progression and how to sum up a given set of numbers in an arithmetic progression. So before we move on to arithmetic progression, I would say a little bit about series also. When these numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, they are added up, it forms a series. That means 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 12 plus 3 is 15 plus 18 plus whatever it is, whatever terms we want. So this forms a series. Now, what is a arithmetic series? Arithmetic series is that series, or arithmetic progression, let us first understand. Under arithmetic progression is that particular progression where we have a common difference between 2 consecutive terms. The common difference here is 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 12 minus 9, 3. 15 minus 12, 3. 18 minus 15, 3. So what we have common difference denoted by D. And here we start with a particular number. We start with the initial number or the first number, that is here 3. So here we denoted A by 3, the first number. Okay. So A is the first number and D is the common difference. So if we know the common difference 3 and first term is also 3, then the second term easily we can find A plus the common difference. That will be 3 plus 3, that is 6. Then the third number will be what? 2 times D. Here this difference is D and again this is D. So 2 times D from the initial number. So A plus 2D, that is 3 plus 2 into 3, that is 9. If I want to jump and say what is the fifth number, that means A plus 4D, that means 3 plus 4 into 3, that is 3 plus 12, that is 15. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So what we notice is, if the first term is A and the common difference between two consecutive terms is D, then any term, or after how many terms we can find out the nth term, that will be A plus n minus 1D, because A is the first term, A plus D is the second term. So A plus D is 1 less than 2. Then third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term will be A plus 3D. Fifth term will be A plus 4D. Sixth term will be A plus 5D. So the nth term in an AP series is A plus n minus 1. This is how we find the nth term in an AP series. Now related to this formula, let us see few questions. Here in this question, Tn I have written 7 minus 3n. What is the question? I have to find out the AP series or AP progression. AP, not AP progression, AP, and I have to find it the 20th term. So we will put n is equal to 1. So T1 equal to 7 minus 3 into 1, that is 4. Second term T2, that is 7 minus 3 into 2, that is 7 minus 6, 1. T3, that is 7 minus 3 into 3, minus 2. T4, 7 minus 3 into 4, 12. 7 minus 12, that is minus 5, and so on. So the AP is 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, and so on. 20th term T20 will be 7 minus 3 into 20, that is 7 minus 60, that is minus 53. So the 20th term is minus 53. AP is given. I have to find out what is the nth term and what is the 12th term. To get the nth term, we know formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is A? A is here 5. First term is 5. What is D? D is second term minus first term, that is minus 3. So Tn will be accordingly 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3, or 5 minus 3n plus 3, that is 8 minus 3n. T12 will be a plus 11d, 1 less than whatever term is here, a plus 11d, that is 5 plus 11 into d, d is minus 3, that is 5 minus 33, or minus 28. The same answer T12 could be found from here also. That means here if I write T12, that will be 8 minus 3 into n is 12, that is 8 minus 26, that is minus 28. So either you find out T12 by this formula, or you can find out the formula which we have derived, 8 minus 3. In this example, which term of AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. We have to find out the which term. So first we calculate two things, A and D. A is what the first term, that is 3, and D is 8 minus 3, that is 5. So nth term will be what? 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. And we don't know which term will give 78, so let this be equal to 78. So 3 plus 5n minus 5 equal to 78, or 5n minus 2 is 78, or n equal to 78 plus 2, 5n equal to 78 plus 2, or n is 80 by 5, 16. So T16 is 78. I suppose you have understood. Let us see it. Find the 20th term from the last of this AP. So we need to find how many terms are there first of all, then we will calculate what is the 20th term from last, not from first. Mind. So A is here 3 and D is 8 minus 3, that is 5. So Tn, and the last term is 253. 253 is 3 plus n minus 1 into 5, or 253 is equal to 3n minus 5 here, it will be minus 2 plus 5n, or 5n is equal to 255, n is 51. So number of terms here will be 51. Now our question is, what is the last term from the end? If I write the terms from the end in AP series, we will get 253, will be the first term, then 248, and so on up to 38 and 3. And then 3 becomes the last term, isn't it? So 253 is the first term. So we will calculate the last term in this way. So last term here is 20th term from last. We will write 20th term from last will be equal to 253 plus number of terms. We want the last 20th term, so that will be 20 minus 1. So 20 minus 1, and here D will be what? Here D will be minus 5, because second term minus first term. 248 minus 253, that is minus 5. Okay, so 253 minus 19 into 5. That is 253 minus 95. That is 158. So this 158 is the 20th term from the last. Means we can count from here first term, then 248 is the second term, and that way 158 is the 20th term from the last. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 6th term is 73. So 11th term, that means T11 is A plus 10D. And the 6th term is 73. So T6 is A plus 5D. Here it is 38 and here it is 73. We have got two simultaneous equations, 1 and 2. We will solve both of them simultaneously. 1 minus, that is 5D equal to 73 and 38, 35. That is minus 35, or D is minus 7. So 6th term, 31st term T31 will be A plus 30D, or A we have not yet calculated, so we will calculate A also here. We will put the value A plus 10D. 10 into minus 5 is 38, or A is equal to 50 plus 38, that is 88. So 31st term will be 88 plus 30 into minus 7. So here it will be minus 7, not 5. Here it will be minus 7, so it will be 70. 70 plus 38 is 108. Here it is 108 minus 210. 210, 108. 102 minus 102 is the 31st term. I suppose this many examples are quite helpful for your understanding of the initial problems of AP. In my next video, I shall upload more and more videos so that you may understand tougher questions of AP. Till then, see you again. Bye bye.